Understanding swag in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to dive deep into a popular and trendy English term, swag. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings, its origins, and how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Swag isn't a new term. In fact, it's been around for centuries. Originally, in the 18th century, swag referred to a bulging bag or sack. Picture a bag of gold coins, heavy and sagging in the middle. That's a swag. Over time, this word evolved in its usage. In today's world, swag has multiple interpretations. 1. Promotional goods. In corporate and event settings, swag refers to promotional items given away for free. Think of t-shirts, mugs, or pens with a company's logo on them. 2. Confidence and style. This is where it gets trendy. When someone says, "He has swag," they mean that the person has a distinctive, confident style. It's often a compliment indicating that someone is cool or carries themselves with a certain charisma. Now that you understand the meanings, let's see how to incorporate it into sentences. 1. Referring to promotional items. 2. Did you pick up any swag from the tech conference? 3. The company handed out swag bags filled with goodies. 4. Referring to confidence and style. 5. Her outfit is on point. She's got swag. 6. You can't teach that kind of swag. It's natural. Swag is not to be confused with swagger. While both are related to confidence and style, swagger is more about the way one walks or carries oneself, whereas swag can be about an overall vibe or the tangible items as previously discussed. And that's a wrap on swag. Whether you're talking about trendy promotional items or someone's undeniable sense of style, now you can confidently use and understand the term. We hope this video clarified things for you. Remember, language is always evolving, and terms like swag are just one of many that make English both fun and dynamic. Happy learning, and keep rocking that swag!